Bello Group, we have a couple of different parts of our business. We have a retail side and we have a real estate side. Here at the 2700 building, we have about 21,000 square feet, which is commercial office space for the Bello Group companies. We house about 20 tenants here. We run 3 rooftop units that control all of the space that we have. The existing system that we had, it was about 20 years old. It was just getting antiquated. We needed to look at new systems that were better, that were more efficient, easier to operate. In situations like us, it's a family business. It's tough to make that commitment to an investment of that size. You know, when you look at costs of things nowadays, you want to make sure that you're going to get what you pay for, and how am I going to take advantage of it? Our system, our old system, we had to get a set of pull-down stairs where we had a computer set up where we had to control all of our systems. And that's great when you're a young man, but when you get to my age and your knees don't work anymore, it becomes cumbersome.
ClimaVision provides an opportunity for the customer to not just have remote access to a system, but they also get the programmable logic that's in each one of those devices that adds a layer of automation that they can't get with standalone thermostats.
Another beautiful part about this system is I can be one-on-one with our tenants. If I have a tenant that needs a 71-degree office, just adjust it on the telephone and everybody's happy. And you have multiple rooftop units. I could really recommend ClimaVision for you because each office has an individual control on it. You have a zoning system and everybody has different needs, and that's why it works great. If I'm having a problem or if I want to get a bigger picture of what's going on in my building, I can pull all of my screens up. I can see what our rooftop units are doing, but I can still look at the building as one unit.
And so the ability to remotely monitor his building and to respond to his tenants' calls, so that saves the customer money when we don't have to drive to the site to troubleshoot it, and we can do that remotely with the customer, saving the customer money and time.
It's great to see a company like Bello utilizing ClimaVision to realize their goals of energy savings, remote access, and zoning, while also providing great comfort for their tenants and a reliable solution.
In choosing ClimaVision, a big part of our decision on the system was everything was a retrofit seamlessly. And as a building owner that has multiple buildings with multiple tenants in each of those buildings, I could really recommend ClimaVision.